Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to voice over in CapCut PC or how you can record your own voice in CapCut PC. So it's actually pretty easy, and here I've already imported a video, and you'll see in the CapCut PC there is a microphone icon. So this one's right here. And if you want to record your voice or to do voiceover, just click on this to record, and then this box will appear. So if you want to just start recording, just click on the red button in here. But if you want to first select the input device, just click on this box, and you can also adjust the volume in here. And if you want, you can also reduce the echo and also mute the project in the clip. So if you're not, you can just click on recording here, click on the red button. So after that, your voice will be recorded in here, and to stop, just click on the red button again, and your voice will automatically add it into the timeline, and just close it if you're done. And here is the voiceover that I recorded before. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you get any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.